Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Travel with Hadi. Hey guys, today I'm going to cover another beautiful spot, Belcarra Regional Park. Belcarra Regional Park is 11-hectare regional park located in Belcarra, Greater Vancouver, British Columbia. It is northeast of the meetings of Burrard Inlet with Indian Arm. Beginning near Belcarra Bay and extending to Sesame Lake. The park is northwest of the village of Enmore and to the southwest of Bensound Lake. A part of its 1104 hectares are the 92 hectares of Admiralty Point lands, oceanfront land in Port Moody. Included in the park is a First Nation archaeological site, which is operated and maintained by Metro Vancouver Regional Parks. In October 2021, the park was renamed from Belcarra Regional Park. Which means biggest place for all the people to reflect the history of the Tislayal Wayutut, people who are indigenous to the area. Hey guys, let's look into its history. A lease signed by the federal government in 1913. Gave Vancouver the rights to manage the Admiralty Point lands. Which were then redistributed to Metro Vancouver on July 28, 1972. After Metro Vancouver successfully gained control of the Admiralty Point lands, they also came into possession of private and crown land in Sesame Lake and Bensound Ridge and other forested area. These areas are part of the protected Belcarra Regional Park and are about 400 hectares each. Since the lease ended in May 2011, management rights were reassigned to the Government of Canada during the period of May 2011-2014. The Government of Canada argued that these lands were a surplus to Parks Canada and no longer warranted protection. Despite this, in 2014, they renegotiated an agreement with municipal leader that the park will be protected and managed through Parks Canada. Belcarra South is another area included within Belcarra Regional Park. A heritage house named Bowl House can be found here along with Jug Island. Let's look at the cultural and ecological significance. Within Belcarra Regional Park is one of the Tislayal-Wayutut Nation's ancestral villages. The Tislayal-Wayutut Nation has a strong historical and cultural ties to this land. Belcarra Regional Park sees almost 600,000 visitors each year. The recreational activities enjoyed by these visitors include kayaking, canoeing, boating, scuba diving, bird watching, picnicking, swimming, hiking, and fishing. Some examples of species that reside in the park area are deer, bears, waterfowl, shorebirds, seals, crabs, and other plants and animals found beneath the ocean surface. The park has been known to accommodate an extensive habitat for black bears for the longest period of time. Belcarra Regional Park permits crab fishing, allowing for only male crabs to be caught in order to protect nearby breeding stocks. Valid tidal licenses are required for crab fishing. The license can be obtained by the BC Ministry of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.